Hi, this is Congressman Luke Tamara with another edition of the Blaine Buzz. Thanks for joining us this week. I want to just comment this week on the Supreme Court decision with regards to Obamacare. It's kind of a mixed bag, but generally, we the people lost today. The good things in the bill were that the mandate with regards to the Commerce Clause was struck down, meaning that you can't be forced to buy a good or service under the Commerce Clause. There was some clarification with regards to states' rights and what the government could and could not do with regards to imposing some of their restrictions on the states. But by and large, most of the decision came down to redefining the mandate in the bill as a tax rather than an enforcement of a law or a provision under the Commerce Clause. And so by empowering the IRS to go out here and force you to do something, even inactivity, which is kind of it's a whole unique concept from the standpoint that in the past you were taxed when you did something, when you purchased something, whenever you made money. Now you're going to be taxed, or have the ability to be taxed anyway, if you don't do something, if you don't purchase insurance, if you don't do something, and you can take this to the nth degree. If you don't buy a soda, if you don't lose weight, if you don't act a certain way. And it can go so far as if you don't go to the right church, you don't believe the right beliefs, because suddenly now the government can tell you basically what to do and what to think. I think, as I said earlier, it's a bad day for our country, for freedom. It's bad policy, it's a bad law. Doesn't mean the Supreme Court's right. I think they got it wrong. I think that at the end of the day, we as a Congress, we as a people, we're going to stand up and push back on this decision and rectify it in the way that we need to, which is to repeal and replace the entire law. So with that, thanks for joining us this week. We've got a lot of other things going on this week and next week as well with regards to some of the things going with Fast and Furious. We're going to have a contempt of Congress vote this afternoon. We have a highway bill that's been lumped together with student loans and flood insurance, all to be voted on today. So today is a busy day, and stay tuned. Any questions you have on any of these issues, don't hesitate to give us a call. There's a lot of confusion around some of the issues, and we're more than happy to have our staff or myself to hopefully clear the fog of whatever misunderstanding there may be about what's going on. So again, thanks for joining us. I look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.